What's up, guys? So today we're working on my brother-in-law's 87 Grand Wagoneer. Got a couple stuff I want to check for him. We got a small oil leak. I think that's coming from where the oil filter mounts to the block. And then also, hopefully this is the correct pan gasket for the transmission. The transmission fluid is kind of seeping out of the original pan, so we'll drop the pan, put some new oil in it, and just kind of check the rest of it just to make sure everything's kind of good. There she is. It does. Coolant always ends up kind of being a little bit on the lower side here. We're good up there. That's good. But she leaks a little bit of coolant, so I don't know if it's XJ. XJ's got the green stuff as well. Let's see if we can pour this here. No, just a little. There we go. Yes. Nice. All right then. Power steering. Looks like we are low on power steering. All right, so we'll tell him he's got to get some power steering fluid. Let's check the brakes. Good on brake fluid, excellent. Okay, battery cable's nice and tight. Battery kind of moves around a little more than I'd like. There we go. That's good. Check this ground. This always used to rattle loose and it wouldn't start, so we fixed that up and that's still good. All right, let's go ahead and check the oil. Definitely could use an oil change. Okay, we need to add a little bit of oil. There you go. Pretty much right at the full line. Das ist gut. Crawl underneath this thing. Okay. It does have an adapter. Yeah. So, doesn't look like it's leaking out of it though. A little bit of a coolant leak, probably coming from the water pump, if I had to guess. A little bit of power steering leak. Okay, let's go check on the. Let's go check the transmission. Let's see if this will line up or not. Okay. You know what? I think we're golden. That definitely matches up. Sweet. As you can see, just got a little bit of, I think it's just seeping through. So we'll be able to just unbolt this, and I'll probably suck the fluid out from the dipstick with my extractor. Okay. Hook this up. We want to evacuate. There we go. So I'll let this, all drain up into there, and then once I got as much as I can out of there, then I'll drop the pan and put the new gasket on, and should be good to go. All right, so I think we got most of what we get out of there. So we'll pull the front off here first. Let's go ahead and drop this down. Not bad. Missed just a little bit. Not bad. Yeah, we got a lot of metal in here. It's an old truck. Boop. Nice. It's perfect. Well, that's good. I'm happy about that. Lines up perfectly. Okay. Clean all this junk off. Whew. Shower for this. So you guys probably can't see too well, but it's tight up here. Yeah, got some new sun shields for the Jeeps. That way my dashes don't get destroyed. Starting to get a little faded on that one, so I figured to just have those. That way they don't get destroyed. We add some stuff for the transmission there. Help her out, She's old and tired. I used this stuff on a buddy's F-150 and fixed the transmission shutter issue. So get this thing fired up, get her warmed up, and see how she goes. Oh yeah, I forgot it's carbureted. baby. Oh yeah. Man, sounds awesome. Fighting a little high. There we go. Man, power windows 87. Whew. She's sweet. Good oil pressure, 40 psi, good voltage in the battery. Ooh, nice, good shift. Good shift again. Yeah, this thing's nuts. It's gonna be hot. Yeah. Oh yeah, add 1 pint. Yeah, wait, she needs more, Captain. Alright, we'll go put some more fluid in there. Alright, let's go for a little spin. This train's moving back and forth. Man, that'll make you feel a certain way. Dude, this thing was stick. Whew. Good shifts. Yeah, baby. Good shifts. She kind of wanders all over the road, though. Nice. Nice and toasty. And we are full. We're at the full line. Perfect. Excellent. Alrighty guys. That's gonna do it for the video. Got the transmission oil pan fixed, new fluid in there. Fill up with a little bit of coolant, and there we go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.